Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Maps voice language. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, if you haven't already updated the application, you have to update it to the latest version and then simply open the Google Maps application here. Then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. You have to go for this settings here. Now in settings, you can see there are a lot of options here. So you can see the option here, voice search. So you have to tap on it and then you can easily change that voice language. So if I change this voice search into another language, what's going to happen is whenever you are asking for direction or while going to somewhere and that voice asks you to turn left or right, it will speak to you through your native language or the language you are going to change. So I'm just going to change it into my language. Basically, after you finish, just hit right here and just go back and the settings will be applied. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.